everyone, this is Aidan Marshall from my TravelAble, and today I would like to let you know that we are making the gnocchi recipe. Gnocchi recipe. Bag, we have a little brush. It's in here. It's called a gnocchi recipe.
A gnocchi recipe. Oh, a gnocchi maker. How cool. So we pre-measured out 100 milliliters of water, 100 grams of flour. We prepared a floured surface, and we have our gnocchi maker.
Oh, I forgot.
You have to get your hands messy.
Yeah.
That's the whole point. That's the fun part.
Okay, I got meat on table.
Okay, now with your finger, do a well in the center. Like a bolero, like a little hole. You're in that little hole. And so this way the water won't run through on the counter. It will stay like you're creating like walls of flour.
Watching next time for more videos about all of the activities inside the Family Twist Treasure Box.